Greetings and welcome back to SmartWatchTicks.com. I just couldn't help myself, guys. Remember the VA9 Pro, the first smartwatch out with ChatGPT integrated in it? Looked like a Apple size and shape, an Apple Watch original? Well, at the time we mentioned that they also made a VA9 Ultra, which of course is the same exact watch but built into the case that looks like the Apple Watch Ultra. And yes, I went ahead and picked it up. It's the only other one right now that also has ChatGPT, and we are going to show it to you. But first, let me tell you about it. Again, it comes from VALDUS. VALDUS's VA9 Pro looked like this, and the VA9 Ultra looks like this. Nice, huh? Both of them AMOLED screen. In fact, they're both pretty much identical. Slight change in screen shapes, a little bit bigger battery, but the operating system is exactly the same. The app is exactly the same. You can pick up this brand new Ultra from Alibaba going into their special store, the PooFit store, right? Shenzhen PooFit Technology, in the neighborhood of $17, $18, and you can buy as few as one. Remember, Alibaba is more the wholesale outlet where usually a business sells to a business, but as an individual, you can pick up 1, 2, 5, however many you'd like. AliExpress is the outlet where you generally buy one-on-one as a customer, like if you were buying from Amazon or something. And I'll have a link in the show notes to take you to both this page and hopefully some of the places in AliExpress that you can pick it up. The specs on this one, pretty interesting. It follows the standard 49 millimeter by 44 millimeter Apple Watch Ultra shape. You've got a 2.12-inch AMOLED screen with 485 by 520 pixel resolution. Now that's larger than the VA9 Pro overall. You've got 320 milliamp hour battery. It's a little larger battery, like I said, but all the other specs are exactly the same. All right, let's dive into it. You got the module itself sitting right here, and it's a beauty. This is in silver, and first look, you got the silver button on the side here, a pillbox button, a rotating knob. Very, very nice. Then you find that in addition to the design of the unit, you've got completely wireless charging, not any pins that have to attach, so the back is completely sealed. Oh, look at that. We've got a little protector on the back. Always look for these to try to peel the film off on them. This will sit right in there, plug into the USB port, charge it up, you're good to go. And then, of course, it ships with a band. Now, bands are another whole hot topic. This one's a black band, uses a standard Apple connector like this, right? And you simply slide them in and you've got a band on it. Well, since I'm customizing this one to be my day go-to ChatGPT watch, I decided I'm going to pull over the old box. Not old, we just got it in too. The Smartwatch Ultra 9, the S100, which was a 7-in-1 kit in the 49 millimeter. We've already reviewed this as well. Have you subscribed yet, by the way? SmartWatchTicks.com. Come on over. You can pick this thing up really, really inexpensive. It's got similar kind of module. Look at this. Interesting. Yeah, wow. I got to be careful not to get them confused, huh? Slightly different color orange. Anyway, this module's okay, but it's a basic watch. This is the special new one with ChatGPT, and these are a variety of bands, and I could pick any one of them if I want a dress silver band, if I want this cloth band. There's a standard black one we just looked at that shipped with this one, and so forth. Today I'm going to go with this one because I love it. It's fun. We're going to put it together and check this watch out with this band. Are you ready? Check this out now. Isn't that band just to die for? I love it. I love it. All right, press the top button. Let it go. We're going to walk through some of the features of this one, but mostly we're going to compare it with the VA9 Pro. The Ultra, they look really identical, and they are. This is set up to go into the always-on display analog watch face right now. This one is not, just to show you the difference when it times out. All of the features are 100% the same. When you slide down, you get the messages sent from your phone. Slide up, you get all of these different actions. And just to show you, let's come into here and slide up and twist your wristas on. Everything is the same. And there's your ChatGPT. Same thing here. And there's ChatGPT settings. No difference whatsoever. Now, we've really done an extensive review of this one, including all of the ChatGPT aspect as well. So I'm going to invite you to take a look at this one for the review of this one. What I want to cover on this one are just the unique features of this larger design. And there really aren't any. It works the same way. It tethers to the app the same way. You've got the knob that controls all of your features, changing watch faces. The faces that you can send over here from the app are pretty much identical. They're just scaled up. This is a custom face as an example, and we can twist through here, get the same faces, and there's the same one. I like that one particularly because it works well with this nice analog always-on display, which is the same display on this one. So to get into the app drawer, you press the side button once. You get all of your apps against the different theme or background that you'd like. You get your blood pressure, blood oxygen, heart rate, sports, sleep. This is your stress pressure. Again, this has all been covered already. We come all the way down, breath training, stopwatch, calendar, the METs that you can compute. Yes, you do have the built-in compass in this one. You twirl it around a little bit to calibrate it, and then you can use that. You've got voice assistant, of course, weather, breathing exercises, a calculator built into it. You've got messages, of course, a bedside clock now that you can toggle on and off, so when you're charging, you can have it either dark all night, or you can have it turn into a bedside light. You got this thing called He and I. Still not totally sure about this one, but you scan a QR code and it lets you connect with others. You've got stopwatches and timers. Wow, what do we got? The Flybird game is in here. And then at the very bottom, your basic ChatGPT, where it says you can ask me anything. And again, look over the review of the VA9 Pro, and you'll see some of the ChatGPT interrogations that we did with that. Really, really nice. These are easy also to just shove in your pocket and take with you if you want to pop it out as a little pocket watch to do the ChatGPT thing on its own and wear a different watch. For the price point these things are selling for, it's just great to have that on hand. So all in all, this is a nice little watch. I just couldn't pass it up. It's got that fun design of the Apple Watch Ultra, and it does all these other fun things, especially the ChatGPT in addition. And once again, it's a VALDUS product. It's the VA9 Ultra AMOLED smartwatch. I'll have a link directly to their store, which shows all of this information, and then a buying link for you from Alibaba.com, where you can pick up 1 unit or more at the price of about $18, plus some shipping charges, which aren't too bad. Wow, an extra $10 off coupon, but I think you have to order a bunch of them for that. Shipping isn't listed, but it's about $8 or so, I think. So under $25, $30 to pick this up and have ChatGPT. Or, of course, you can get the original VA9 Pro, about the same price if you like a smaller design that mirrors more or less the traditional Apple Watch design. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.